Unlock the secrets of price movement by mastering support and resistance, a cornerstone of technical analysis that can transform your trading decisions. First, open your Tradingview chart for the asset you want to analyze. We're looking for areas where the price has repeatedly bounced off a certain level, either from below or from above. Now, let's find our drawing tools on the left side of your Tradingview screen. You'll see a toolbar. We're interested in the horizontal line tool. Click on that. To draw a resistance level, zoom out a bit to see the price history. Look for a point where the price reached a high and then turned around. And then find another recent high that is very close to or at the same price. Click once on the chart at that price peak. Drag the line horizontally across to the right, extending it to cover as much of the price history at that level as possible. This horizontal line represents resistance, an area where sellers have historically stepped in, pushing the price down. For support, it's the opposite. Scan the chart for a price low where the price bounced upwards. Then look for other instances where the price dropped to a similar level and also bounced. Click once at that low point and drag the horizontal line to the right. This is your support level, an area where buyers have historically stepped in, pushing the price up. The more times the price has touched or reacted to a level, the stronger that support or resistance is considered. These levels are crucial because when price approaches them, it's a strong indicator of a potential reversal. Understanding this helps you anticipate price movements and make more informed trading decisions. Practice identifying and drawing these levels on various charts, and you'll quickly see how fundamental they are to understanding market psychology and making more profitable trades.